London. For your comfort, but especially for your safety, please remain seated until the aircraft has stopped moving and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Do not allow any mobile phone or type open to the doors here at the front of the aircraft, and please take great care when opening the overhead bins, as injuries may be caused by items that may have become displaced during the flight, which may fall out, causing an injury to you or to another passenger. And don't forget to check our website at aerlingus.com for our cheapest fares, great hotels, travel insurance and Aer Lingus car hire. On behalf of your captain, Don McNulty, and the rest of your Cork-based crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with Aer Lingus this morning. We hope you have enjoyed your flight, and we do look forward to welcoming you on board again very soon. Thank you. Have a very safe onward journey. Slán agus beannacht.